Remember when a man was a man, not a product or a title or a brand. Now everything's changing, these people aren't real, and we have no heroes. They're back in the middle, they don't say what they mean, they don't do what they say, they won't stand here.
Yellow. Yeah, I've been busy for a while now. So today I finally could finish up the floor. Put in already a whole new floor. So that one's already fixed. I made a bigger boat actually. I make adventures of the spaces I have. So today is gonna come all together. The first step was, here was a cabin. I had to take them all out. Now it's over here. So now I have my open space. Now I just have to make everything level, because there's a small problem. I have to make that equal. The pipe in the middle is my depth finder, so I have to work around it. It's not possible to move that. But that's not a problem, because that's gonna be the place where my dog's gonna sit, so it's not a biggie. Now the next step is gonna be finishing up the floor. Before this I have to use polyester. Some glass fiber on the bottom. I'm also going to put some insulation on it. The top I'm just going to put some polyester on it, no glass fiber. Just roll it in, make it solid in one piece, and then I'm going to finish it up with some PVC. The next project here. This one is going to go all the way down. Cabbage gone. Just a plate, I'm gonna move it over there, so I still can move my dishes. In the back over there I'm gonna make some special cabbage who goes in the point. That's gonna be my kitchen. Over here is gonna be my shower, and like it is and always has been, here, my bedroom.
Oh, Father, tell me, do we get what we deserve? Oh, we get what we deserve.
One thing I'm doing all the time is
And where down
sanding.
we go, where down we go,
Sanding.
so where down we go, way down we go. Oh, you let your feet run wild. I'm as calm as we all go down. Yeah, but for the fall, ooh,
So this one was rotten. I had to take out the whole beam, but I'm gonna fill it up just with some insulation foam and then just work it off. So yeah, problem one I found with sanding. Oh boy, I love sanding. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Peace out.